Good afternoon and welcome back, everyone. Ceist a ní. Question 9. Question 9. Cé an tam a géirí tú ar maidin. Arish, again. Cé an tam a géirí tú ar maidin. Berla, what time did you get up at? Past tense. What time did you get up at? First, let us start with the numbers on the clock face. A hain, a dó, a trí, a cethair, a cúig, a sé, a seacht, a hacht, a ní, a jai. A hainjeg agus a dójeg. One to watch out for, 12 is feminine. A dójeg, 12, a hainjeg. Now, for a little bit of grammar. The question is in the past tense. Just to emphasize it again, it's in the past tense. What time did you get up? Not what time do you get up. So we'll have to put this in the past tense. So, to use our usual tactic, you need to respond to the question with the question. There are a few points to note when putting a verb, also known as a doing word or an actionable word, in the past tense. But the hard part is already done for us because they've already proposed the question in the past tense. To put a verb, doing or actionable word in the past tense in Irish, we follow the following 3 points. The overview looks like this and it will be explained further. So the first rule, if there's a consonant, we use shevy or aspiration or lenition. If it begins with a vowel, we prefix it with a D apostrophe. And if it's a third, which is the letter F, then the rules 1 and 2 apply. I will explain this further. 1. When the verb starts with a consonant, i.e. anything that isn't a vowel, I, E, O, and U, we use shevu, information explained, adding a H to words. In English, this is 2 names, aspiration and lenition. For this reason, I prefer just using the word shevu because you can't get it confused because there's only 1 word. These are a list of letters that cannot be aspirated. These are L, H, R, and N. Also ST, SC, SM, SP. And here's a mnemonic I made today. Little Harry recently noticed stewed scallions smell spicy. So that's your little mnemonic to help you remember. LH, RN, ST, SC, SM, SP. Again, little Harry recently noticed stewed scallions smell spicy. Aspiration or lenition occurs after the initial consonant, i.e. the verb to break, brish in the present tense, brishim, I break. So to change this into the past tense, we add a H or aspirate or use lenition or in Irish, shevu. Vrish me. Vrish, broke. Vrish me, I broke. Past tense. Rule number 2. When the verb begins with a vowel, I, E, O, U, we add D apostrophe. The hard part, as aforementioned, is already done in the question, i.e. the verb in the present tense is éiri, get up, géirí, got up. Just to hear the difference again, present tense éiri, get up, géirí, got up, past tense. Rule number 3. When we see what is sometimes comically called the fabled missing Irish vowel F, we apply both rules, i.e. present tense for wait is fan. Fan. Now, because it's an F, we add both the rules. We both prefix it with a D apostrophe, and after the initial consonant, we add a H. So fan becomes dan. Dan. Hopefully, looking at the overview again will show you've mastered it. Consonants, shevu, vowels, D apostrophe, F, D apostrophe and shevu. Now that you've done the hard work, it's time for the easy part. Answer the question. Kje and tam a jiri to are maidin. So you start with the verb, as Irish is a verb subject object language. Jiri, me, to, she. I got up, you got up, he got up, she got up. Ar a hien, a do, a tree, a cahar, a cuig at 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 o'clock in the morning. Example given. Jiri me ar a she a chlog ar maidin. I got up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Again, arish. Jiri me ar a she a chlog ar maidin. Now, let's add a bit more information. At 3 o'clock, that's 3 o'clock, but things are rarely so precise. Information explained, 1/4, 10 to, 1/2, 5 to, etc. So, let's begin with 10 minutes past 3. Jai, nomage, or minutes, inye, past, at 3. 3. Jai, inye, at 3. 10 past 3. Cahru, inye, a cahar. 4:15. Irish, jai, inye, at 3. 10 minutes past 3. Cahru, inye, a cahar. 4:15. And you might notice that cahru and cahar, so 1/4 and 4, look similar, and for obvious reasons. 1/4 is out of 4, so it's a mutation of the word 4, and then the nominative form on its own, just the number 4. Cahru inye a cahar. Now 1/2. Ya inye a hien. 1/2. Arish, again, ya inye a hien. 1/2. Cahru gji a doyeg. Arish, cahru gji a doyeg. 1:45. 1:45. Arish, cahru gji a doyeg. 10 to 3. 10 to 3. Jai gji a 3. Arish, jai gji a 3. Night or day. So to tell the difference, here's both 12 a.m. and 12 p.m. So on the left we have the day, and on the right we have the night. So ag and doyeg man le. At 12 in the middle of the day, man le. Ag and doyeg man ea. Ag and doyeg man ea. So at 12 in the middle of the night. That's just because 12 and 12 exactly the same. Next we have cahru inye a she tranona. Arish, cahru inye a she tranona. 6:30 in the afternoon or in the evening. Afternoon or evening, tranona, and a very, very useful one. Tranona moi agat. Good afternoon, singular. Tranona moi agav. Afternoon, plural. Good afternoon. Cahru inye a cahar ar maidin. Cahru inye a cahar ar maidin. 4:15 in the morning. 4:15 in the morning. Cahru inye a ni san eicha. Arish, cahru inye a ni san eicha. Now normally this is sa, which means in the. But as usual, 2 vowels generally don't like to go together. Sa eicha, a and o, 2 vowels. San ihe. San ihe. In the evening. So a quarter. Oh, go my leis go hardje. Written that as in yeah. Cathru go G and the go my leis go hardje. Cathru go G and ni sani. A quarter to 9 in the night or in the evening or in the night, but PM. That's the lesson finished, everyone. Well done. Thank you for tuning in and I hope to see you again soon. Slán go fóill a hardje.